If you ever see this weird syntax where the array definition is on the left side of the equal sign, do not be confused because this is destructuring. And this is just a syntactic sugar or convenience method, if you will, for things that we have been doing in JavaScript for years or maybe even decades. This is how you would extract the first and the second element from our array in the more traditional way. And ESLint, I had to disable unused vars because it was driving me crazy. So this is the traditional way, and this is the new way. This is destructuring. And the cool thing about it is that you can name your variables however you want. So the first element, 1, is under the variable banana, but it can be lamp, bed, wall, whatever you want. And the cool thing about destructuring is that we can shove all of those things that we don't need, a subset of our array or object, as I will show you in a second, into a separate object or separate array. So in this case, elements 3, 4, or 5 are assigned to a separate array called rest. And similarly for objects, this is the traditional way of extracting values from it. And with destructuring, the equivalent is this. However, in this case, you cannot name your variables however you want. Those fields here, A and B, have to exist in my object. But also similarly with arrays, you can shove all of those fields that you don't need into a separate object, in this case, called rest. And this is destructuring in modern JavaScript.